Alright, welcome back to Low and Filthy. Today we're gonna do a lip, Type R Honda badges, roof wing, and a tow strap on Man-Man's car because the last one was kind of ass, but should be pretty simple. eBay parts, sponsor us please. But
eBay
let's get to it. Yeah. Alright, let's get to it. And I'll jack it up. Alright. I think that's tight.
Alright.
Is it tight? Alright, check it out.
Alright, we're at the right spot?
Yeah, go up a little bit. Alright, you good. Bro, this is gonna be such good help when I fucking do my dick.
For real.
Yo, this shit don't fit. How's it supposed to go?
You push it all the way back.
It's supposed to be right there, like.
No, I think it's supposed to be right there.
It's supposed to be like that.
Yeah, like that.
But then it doesn't line up over here.
What do you mean?
Cause look, it's supposed to line up like that. Yeah, but now this side's back, not lining up.
There we go.
Oh, like that?
I think it's like this, bro. So you can get the back to the back.
Yeah, lined up right here?
Yeah, right here, lined up all the way to the back.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to drill into this.
Told you. Alright, man, tell me what we're doing.
We're drilling the holes.
I'm drilling.
Okay, Alex is drilling the holes for the lip. So we could screw it in.
You want to get screwed?
Or drill it in, sorry.
You want to get drilled?
You want to get drilled?
Maybe.
Hey yo.
Whoa.
They said we're gay.
Who's gay?
It's 2023. Are you judging me?
Judging who?
Me.
Oh, no, you're judging me.
Oh,
I'm the one with the camera in my face.
Damn, I almost hit my finger with that.
I would have taken you to the hospital.
Oh, wash your finger.
She just went through it.
For some reason, I thought this was gonna be harder, but it's not.
No, bro, this is a $30 lip.
What do you mean? We bought the best.
It's plastic.
Carbon fiber.
Yeah, this is carbon fiber. $300 lip, guys.
And we got the best drill bits in the game.
Harbor Freight.
$5, Harbor Freight.
Oh shit.
On the clearance.
Clear.
Y'all need to make it if it's.
Man, you need to lay down on the
Just sit
thing
on the
already.
ground, you're not gonna die. I need you guys to tell me where if it's lining up right.
So
No, that's not lined up. No, that's not lined up.
Yeah, that's what I want you guys to do.
Alright, that's lined up now.
Is it lined up over here?
Let me see.
Right here. I'll hold this right here so you
If we had one more hand, it'd be perfect.
It's alright. My hand will get tired with this heavy ass camera, but. Alright, going in. Go in. You sure? Yeah, I'm good over here.
Over here.
Gosh, let me go to
Perfectly lined up over here.
I think it was. Fucking the wheels got stuck. Did this thing die? It's about to.
Just get man for each side.
Hey, it actually doesn't look that
kind
bad.
of hard.
Hey, yo, why are you looking at my underwear?
Oh shit. I didn't mean to.
Let Alex's underwear.
I mean, it looks nice.
Damn, man, free. You buying us tacos after?
Huh?
You buying us tacos after?
Hell yeah, let's go tacos El Gordo.
I would say you got a Gordo for you right here.
I don't know, that shit kind of looks
I like it.
for $30.
Fucking Ricer gang.
I mean, for $30, you can't really like complain about it either.
Wait till his parents, he comes home, his parents gonna be like, what's this monstrosity?
You're turning into one of those druggies that buy car parts.
You know what I just realized?
What?
You're making my car slower.
Why?
We're putting more parts on it, it's making it heavier.
It's alright.
That's fucking. I just feel like I should have said that in the video. It's something dumb to say. Making my car heavier, putting all these plastic parts on it.
What do you mean? That's not carbon fiber. We just got them paint match black.
Now we gotta have somebody paint all these now. What's that big as
The wheel get? Monster truck. Got my steel toes on.
It's gonna be a fun video watching you guys do the springs.
Easy, bro. Damn, look at those peaks.
Hey, yo!
Jeez, that peak.
PSD ones. Well, I don't know
Oh shit, cough.
Yeah, okay. Sheesh, new lip, new me. Man, treat. At Lawrence Springs, you can serve that nice. Alright, now we're gonna put on some Type R badges. Hold on. Let me heat it up. Watch out. We have.
I feel like I'm gonna break it if I do it. What?
No.
I've seen the video of people just pop these things off like.
That's not in mine. Were you planning on reusing them or no?
Nah.
Okay, good. No, you got those there. Fuck it, let's use those.
I don't know which one.
This one?
Well, there goes it.
Damn, we're at the Honda.
Alex, I need your eyes. Make sure it's just lined up. Once it's on, it's on.
Damn, you listen to the radio. Oh shit.
What's up?
Damn.
Lined up correctly. Oh wait, right? Yes.
Gee, put them upside down.
Upside down, look retarded. That's like
That
fucking
looks
dumb.
hard, bro. Put it upside down.
So when you flip over, it looks the right way.
No, that part. The
Heel
back
action in
first.
the end.
Alright, so you want me to put it on?
I mean,
Bro, you can't misplace it. It fits right in the fucking.
Yeah. You want me to do it or you want to do it?
you have better hands.
It's your car.
Okay, you put it in,
Manfred,
like line it up.
how about
and
you
I'll-
do it? For the subscribers want to see you do it.
Alright, subscribers want to see easy.
No, they want to see Manfred do it.
I can do the rear one.
Alright, do it.
Rear. Alright.
Put one edge on and then.
Is it good right there? Lining up?
It's because you can't see the plastic.
Is it good?
Yeah, it looks good right there. Fuck it. The worst thing that happens is you order new ones.
Right there?
Yeah, now press it on.
Make sure. Hold on.
Take out that plastic because you can't take out that plastic. Rip out the plastic.
I'll let you do it. Alright, your car. Jeez, Rice Mobile.
Nice, sir. Press that shit on so it doesn't fall off.
There we go.
There you go.
We can
Now pull it like that.
pull it up.
Yeah,
Oh,
there you go.
they broke. I think that clip is off.
Okay, now do the other side.
Oh no, I think it's good.
No, let's go.
This one did have, see? It did have fucking, yeah. Not glue, what those side tape? At least we got glue on, take that shit off. Alright, now do this side.
I think we had more content on Manfred's car than me and Joe's.
Lucky.
Come on.
It's
Come on.
the first roof wing. Now it's gonna be the second splitter, badges.
No, you got to have one video.
There we go. That was easy. What?
Oh, it didn't have the brakes. Oh no, it didn't. It was just like. It just went in.
See, guys, that's how you remove it without breaking it.
He broke it though. Look, show on the back.
Nobody sees the back.
Show on the back.
Nobody looks at the back.
It's all cracked too. You cracked that fish in half. Emblem. They got a carbon fiber one. Sheesh.
All right, Alex. Watch this.
Say watch and learn, alright?
No, I never said that.
Look at that Civic over there. Hatchy. Shit.
Just lined up. He's good.
Sure.
Right there.
Yep.
Press it on hard.
It's not as hard as you can.
No, that shit's not lined up. Going this way.
Nice.
Is it crooked?
Happy?
We good right there?
Yep.
Alright. Why did I just do that from the beginning?
Pretty suck.
Me too, at least.
This man said I know how to do this shit.
Okay, I should have watched the video.
You want it right here? You want it right here, man?
Yeah, that's perfect. Oh, is it gonna be like touching the ground the whole time?
Yeah, it's gonna
Nah.
drag.
Oh, you gonna record that?
I am recording.
Fuck.
What should I title this video? How to be a racer?
In 2023.
Nice.
Fuck, I can get it any type.
eBay Ricer. There. Perfect. You want another one?
I think it should be straightened down. A non-function. If you want me to get an O, just to put it for safety.
That's how to tow it now.
Huh?
That's how to use it.
Yeah.
Now someone's gonna tow my car.
You're gonna break that shit off.
That's actually for sale, not a real toaster.
This actually says I'm gay.
Shit. It's like one.
You sure we need one more row?
Yes.
Wait, I got an idea. Hold on. Use that. I'll be right back. I got my handy dandy.
Handy dandy what?
It's not the straightest, but.
I got my Amazon cutter.
Oh, you go.
Should have used it. I mean, it's too late now. I can't really cut through this thing.
Just leave it like this.
I mean, it's not gonna. That's gonna be on the body. No one's gonna see that shit.
Oh, come right here, come right here.
Cut, hurry up.
Come on, we gotta go pick it up. We gotta go pick some parts. But
And you cut it. Wait. Here.
You do this. You
No,
work at Amazon.
I'm using this. It's not the right tool, but I don't care.
Innovation at its finest.
Ah, fuck my pinky.
Innovation that excites.
All right, to the bottom.
This doesn't fit.
What do you mean it doesn't fit? I just tested it like 20 times. What do you mean it doesn't fit?
Alright, oh, hold up. To the body or to the window line?
To the body?
You're roast meal.
Window line? Alright, window line.
All right, is it lined up on your side? It's not lined up on my side.
Yes.
Like it's not all.
It's not all the way to.
No.
Go look, Eric, on that side. Alright, look, Eric, hold on. Look on my side.
Pull my. Can I pull on this side? Like it's not. It's not like it was. It's supposed to be like. There's like a little gap.
It's not supposed to touch the body line. It's just supposed to be to the window line.
Oh, okay, okay. Like right there?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, but now I have a fat ass finger, so give me half. Right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
That's good?
Yeah.
All right, lined up.
Let me see your side. Hold up. I feel like. Yeah, it's the same thing on my side. It's half.
All right.
It doesn't look bad.
That's good enough.
Alright, so we finished the lip, toe strap, emblem, and roof wing. We couldn't get to my car. We had broken parts, so we had to wait on that. So next week we'll get carbon hood, my welded diff, and then the last minute drift preps for import face-off. But other than that, stay tuned. Like, subscribe, comment, and watch the next one.